Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're showing off the custom SD9VE again and showing off the new custom barrel I've gotten. Before we get too far into this, before we get into the barrel, if this is your first video or your first SD9VE pistol video here on the channel, we're going to go over all the stuff going on with this custom pistol, and then we'll get into what I did to the barrel. First off, this is a stick-on grip from Talon Grips. You can get a hold of those at talongungrips.com for less than $20. Then also on the magazine, I have a magazine extension. You can get these on Midway USA is where I got this. You might be able to get it from other places, I'm not sure. But I did get it from Midway USA, and it is made by Apex. I've had a lot of people ask about this. This is the only magazine extension for this pistol that I've ever been able to find. So you can get it on Midway USA, and it is the Apex magazine extension. And it does say SD and Sigma magazines, I do believe, but that's it. You can get that for about 30 bucks. Then the current light that I've got on here right now is a light from Dagger Defense. I really like their company. They make a lot of optics and lights and stuff that's real budget friendly. It's not something that you're going to go to war in, but it is a good quality light, and they have good quality optics for the price range. So if you're just getting into firearms or different stuff like that, go ahead and check them out. This light is from them. This is the DD SD07. I did do a review on the DD SD01 and this one, I believe, and the only difference between the two is the SD07 does have a strobe feature and the SD01 does not. So that's the light from Dagger Defense. Also, there is a trigger upgrade and a spring kit upgrade that you can get for this pistol. I have both in there. I just did a video recently on trigger upgrades for this pistol. I'll put the link up here. And there is now two different trigger options that you can get for the SD9 pistol or the SD40 pistol, SD pistols. You do now have two different options. You can go with the Apex trigger, which is the one that I have in here, which I really like and highly recommend. And there's a new one from a company called Galloway Precision. They have a new trigger out that I can't remember the name of the trigger off the top of my head right now. It's a weird name. Boudica, that's what it is. B-O-U-D-I-C-A, or Boudica, however you say it. But it's pretty much all the performance features from what they say on their website is pretty much the same as the Apex trigger here. Except where this Apex trigger is more of a Glock style trigger and it's a curved trigger. The new trigger from Galloway Precision is a flat face trigger, so you can pick between the two different options. I haven't messed with the Galloway Precision trigger. I just saw some stuff online about it and did do a video on the two. But I have gone with the Apex trigger, and I do like the Apex trigger. I do highly recommend it. But it does have the trigger in here, and there's a spring kit that you can get that will greatly increase the performance aspect of it, not just the trigger upgrade, but the spring kit is where you're going to get the performance stuff for it. So I have put the trigger in here, and there is the spring upgrade kit in here as well. Next up with the slide, I have machined this in my shop. If you're new to the channel, I do a lot of machining videos, modifications, make my own firearm parts and stuff like that. I did do a video on the slide as well that I'll put a link up in the description or right here. But I did cut a little window in here so you can check the barrel out, because I knew before I started machining this that I was going to get a titanium nitride barrel, which we'll go over that in a second. But I did cut the window in here, and I cut the slide for the optic, and this particular optic is from Vortex, and it is the Vortex Venom, which I highly recommend. I really like this. There's a lot of opinions out there about how it's not as great as like Trijicon or Delta Pro and stuff like that, which probably is true, but I do highly recommend this. This is a significant amount cheaper than both of those optics that I just mentioned, and I do like this and I do recommend it. It is from Vortex, and if you ever have a problem with it, you have a lifetime warranty that they completely replace it or fix it for free if you've bought a Vortex optic, which is really cool. And I did recently have one of these on this pistol that stopped working completely. It started acting weird, and then it just stopped and wouldn't come back on. So I got in touch with Vortex and did tell them about it, and they told me to send it to them. And I think within a week, I got a brand new one in the mail from them for no charge, just because of their lifetime warranty that they've got. So I highly do recommend the Vortex Venom. I do like this, and I recommend anything from Vortex. It's a great company. They make great products. So that's the Vortex Venom one here. Machined it for the Vortex Venom and machined the window in here on the top so you can check out the barrel. So let's get into the barrel now that we're moving on to the main original part of this video. This is the slide. Take spring out. And then the barrel. Now, recently I have done a video, I do believe, featuring this barrel before I did some other stuff to it. This was coated by Titanium Gun in California. I have worked with them in the past. They've coated a couple of different barrels that I've done on some of my different pistols. Real great company. All you do, and they don't just do barrels, you can send them pretty much anything metal on a firearm and they'll coat it. They do have other coatings that I've talked to them about, but they don't do them as often, so there's probably going to be a waiting period if you're interested in some of the other coatings that they have. But the titanium nitride coating they do all the time, and usually it takes, depending on how busy they are, I think most of the time I get mine barrel back in between like a week or 2 weeks, something like that. They have all their prices for all the different stuff they do on their website, so do check that company out. It's a very cool option, so you don't have to get a completely new barrel if you're wanting to get another barrel titanium nitride coated or something like that. So it is a pretty good option for you to just change up your pistol, especially for this pistol where there's like hardly any upgrade options for it. So it was a good option for this pistol. All you do is just take your barrel out, send it to them, and I think you can print out a page on their website, send it to them, and when they get it done you pay and they send it right back, and it's titanium nitride coated. It's really awesome. But they did coat it before, and I featured it in the video, and then I was just kind of getting the itch to do something else to this pistol again, because I just recently did a bunch of stuff to a Glock pistol that I had, that I'll put the link up in the description or up here, so you can check that video out if you're interested. I did do some custom barrel work on that one, and then after I got done with that and I didn't have anything else to do, I got the itch to do it again, so I did a little bit of work to this, not a whole lot. But what I did is I took the barrel out and shortened this. So before, on your stock barrel, it did stick out of the top of the slide here about 40 thousandths or so, 0.040 if you're interested in knowing that. So I did take it out and machined it shorter so it was flush with the end of the slide now. And then after I did that, I crowned this, so you can see it looks a little bit different than your regular stock barrel that you have in here. And when you do that, it is really cool, and I think really changes the look of this pistol. It's a really nice feature. If you're interested, I did do also a video on crowning a barrel. That the link will be right up here, so you can check that out if you're interested, because it is possible to do it yourself with just some hand tools, depending on what barrel you've got and what you're doing and stuff like that. But that is what I did. I did shorten this barrel so it's shorter than your stock barrel, and then I crowned it so it gives it a little bit look. And it does have a little performance aspect, like dispersing gases and stuff evenly and stuff like that. If you do it right, it does help accuracy a little bit. But mostly it's just look cool. And then after I got done, I did send it to Titanium Gun again, and they did coat this barrel again for me. So that is the new custom barrel that I did for the SD9VE pistol. Shortened it and crowned it, and it looks very nice. Put this back together. So that is my custom SD9VE. All the stuff I did pretty much myself, all the machine work, I do all of that. If you are interested, I haven't said this in a video up until now, for some reason I keep forgetting. I have had a lot of people on social media interested in this pistol that they have, and they wanted to do some custom stuff to it, want to do some upgrades and stuff like that. Have had a lot of people ask me about machine work on the slide and the barrel. I do that. If you're interested in not just the SD9 pistol, it's just mainly for that, all the people checking the videos out I do on this pistol, but machine work in general. I have done machine work on these slides, and I did a couple of Glock slides that I've done, and barrel work, like shortened it so it's flush with the slide and doing crowns, and I have did fluted some barrels, one particular on my Glock 19 that you'll check that video out that I mentioned earlier. I have done a lot of stuff, and if you're interested, I do offer that if you're interested in me doing some machine work on your slide or barrel. So let me know down in the comments, or if you're following me on Instagram, you can send me a DM on that. See if you're interested in doing something, and I can let you know what you're looking at and stuff like that. So I did want to put that out there. So that's all for this video. This is the custom SD9VE with the new custom barrel coated by titanium gun. Be sure to check those guys out, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.